Today's video. Come with me as I'm finally going to Wagha border. So, we are here at Amritsar bus stand. Let's do it. I'm so excited. This is the bus stand and they told us to go to number 22, something like that. So tara, let's go inside the bus. I don't know what time is this one leaving, but let's go ahead and do it. Hoy, everybody! Di ba yung excitement ko? Totoo. Ay, legit yung excitement na to. Kasi I planned this long time ago eh. The excitement is real because if you remember, I planned this like almost a year ago. I really like India because of your openness. Hi everybody! Oh, look! I have my own lane. So, nasa Wagha border pala yung mga gwapo. So, the handsome Indian guys is in Wagha border. This is where you can find them. The fog is, is blocking the sunset. My God, if you see this makeup in sunset, it's beautiful. And the makeup is giving. Diba? Ganun dapat. So I'm so excited. It's finally happening. Let's go to Wagha border.